Sound, texture, resistance. A keyboard can make you rush or slow down. Minimalism is choosing calm over chaos. This is the Lofree Flow Lite 100. This is a 96% layout. It's slim, soft, and intentional. It doesn't demand attention, it invites you to stay. This keyboard feels cozy. It's not loud, it's not aggressive, it's controlled. This keyboard encourages better posture, slower typing, and longer sessions. This keyboard is for office workers, creatives, writers, cozy gamers, anyone who wants peace at their desk. The sound is like a pleasant, muted sound. It's not thocky, it's more on the creamy side. The sound dial is minimal, but it pops. There's a slight curve to the keys, which makes it a pleasant typing experience. This being a 96% layout, this may not be for everybody because it is more compact. The keys are closer together, but it does still have the numpad, which for me is a necessity. There's different modes for Mac use or Windows use. You can use it with Bluetooth, via the dongle, or plugged in. You can change the brightness. This is a keyboard that just works, and it works great. I personally use this keyboard for majority of my day for productivity during work, but I love using this for gaming as well. The high polling rate, the lack of latency, and just the experience, the sound, everything since the day I bought this has been a massive improvement and upgrade. Before I was using the MX Keys S keyboard, and it was lovely because I really like the low profile, easy to use. You can type quick, you can type slow, you make minimal errors typing on it, and it just works. The Lofree Flow Lite is a phenomenal keyboard that I highly recommend to anyone. If you enjoyed this calm typing experience, this calm short review of the Lofree Flow Lite 100, you might enjoy this next video.